Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. So today we will unboxing LANEIGE. So when I buy this LANEIGE lip mask, it's like they gave me a free sleeping mask. It's like face mask. And it's really good, I think. Yeah. So let's unbox it. Let me read it first. LANEIGE from Korea. Lip sleeping mask. Masque de nuit pour les lèvres. I don't know what is that, but grape fruit. Pamplemousse. Yeah. Let's open it now. And more. Okay. OMG. I've been wanting this for ages, and now I finally have it. And I love my LANEIGE. Let's open it and smell it. Oh my god, it smells so nice. And what? Look at the pattern. So excited to use my LANEIGE tonight. Well, I've been wanting LANEIGE for ages, and now I can finally match with my bestie. But sadly, I still have one more bestie that doesn't have LANEIGE, and yeah, so I don't know actually. I don't know if she will buy LANEIGE or not. Well, yeah, hopefully she buys it. If not, then that's alright. Well, I'm gonna use this today, I think. I don't know. Yeah, that's all I got today. Bye.